We at Seiko are very excited to show you our new generation product. If you're not familiar with us, we've been around over 130 years. North America market, we have been in this market for 11 years, featuring our 7th and 8th generation product. What we're going to show today is the LP 1030 system. This machine is 7.5 Ds a minute, or 24 by 36 inch plans speed-wise. The scanner speed is 9.4 inches per second, fastest in the industry. I'll show you some other uniqueness as we go. You will find that this machine is very easy and very user-friendly to use. So first we're going to start at just looking at the paper drawers. The system comes with 2 rolls. It is auto width sensoring in these paper drawers, and you can put any size paper in here that you want. Up to 4 mil thickness, translucent bonds, erasable vellums, and mylars. The machine, the footprint, is the smallest in the industry. It is 7.5 Ds, or 24 by 36 inch prints per minute, and is the fastest in its segmentation. The scanner is also the fastest in this marketplace, 9.4 inches per second. First, we're going to start on how to make a copy. Come up here to the touchscreen panel and hit the copy button. Take your original. We want to select digital sorting, and at this point you feed your original. During this process, the scanner has a dual light processing system. This prints at 600 by 600 DPI. Now you can keep feeding originals in as many as you'd like. The hard drive in this is a 320 gig hard drive in this system and 2 gigs of RAM. And again, 320 gig hard drive is twice as fast as anybody in the industry. You simply hit the enter button, and it'll ask you how many copies you want, and you hit print. And that's making a copy. Again, 7.5 Ds a minute, very fast. Next, I'm going to show you how to change toner. The toner compartment is right back here in the machine, and it's very, very easy to change out. It's this little cartridge just like this. The system design is set up to send email confirmations to you when it runs out of toner or paper or needs any kind of attention at all with this device. Next, we're going to show you how to make scans. On this device, there are 3 different ways to scan. One is we're going to show you how to scan to network. So I'm going to come over here and open up my folder. And we are going to take this original. Nobody in the industry can do this, so this is going to be really fun to watch. So I come up here, I hit my submit button. I have up to 20 different destination folders or locations on the network that I can select. Okay? So I select the destination folder I want to go to. I hit OK on the panel. It checks the communication, and now it brings me up to my copier pieces. If I want photo, text mode, DPI, if I want to scan to a TIFF or PDF, and so on. So at this point here, I'm going to just go ahead and scan this in. Again, this is a color at this speed. It's amazing. That was a 300 DPI color. Part 2 of your scanning is, again, you want to hit submit. And there's a button called Submit Print Job on the screen. What this allows you to do is take a color original and send it to a color plotter, a Canon or HP, or even a small format copier if you'd like. So you have up to 5 destinations of plotters you can select. Pick the machine you want to print to, hit OK, it'll check the communication again, and you scan away. You'll see on the screen that it's processing, transmitting, and sending to the color printer. The third and final piece of scanning is scanning to the hard drive. So I can actually, from the copier, I can scan with a color or black and white originals into the 320 gig hard drive. Okay? So up here on the screen, I would hit submit again, and it'd be submit to thumbnail. I'd scan my original in, and I can view it from the panel here. And if I have multiple pages, copies, I can also view those as well. And I can also select those once they've come across and send them over to a folder here on your network as well. Now we're going to show you how to print. So over here we have a software called TerrioStation. This software suite package is standard and included in your machine. We give you batch PDF printing and accounting and authentication packages as part of the software suite for you. This is all included. This is what it looks like. You can literally drop and drag your documents into this viewer. I can move them from position 1 or 2. I can shift select, right click and make some setting changes here if I want them all to be one paper size, or how many copies I want to make on that. And then all I do is hit perform printing. You can also print just using the basic Windows driver or HDI driver for AutoCAD as well. We also have a scan feature in here for archiving. So if you have many files or folders hanging around your network, you want to start scanning these files in and digitally capturing this information, then we can do that as well. And we are now printing, so again we'll be able to show you how fast this machine prints. Again, 7.5 Ds a minute. It's very, very fast. This also has a dual light scanner system on it, so the quality and the line depths are really, very, very good. We want to show you what we refer to as the wow factor in the industry. This machine has a very unique feature that nobody else has, and we call this the replaceable process cartridge. So picture a laser printer that you have at your desktop in your office somewhere where you change out and physically change that whole cartridge. This is a similar technology on these systems. And I'll show you how it's done. It's very easy. You lift this tray up, put these handles back. Anything green inside here you can touch. There's 2 thumb screws here that you unscrew. Slide the rail back. And this is your process cartridge. Okay. This gives you your most maximum uptime, and this is also included in your service maintenance programs with your dealer channel. In conclusion, the Seiko LP1030 system, what we've done today is showed you ease of use and simplicity, both on the hardware and the software side. The machine, the footprint, is the smallest in the industry. It also has the fastest speed at 7.5 Ds a minute, or 24 by 36 inch plans. Also the fastest scanner in the industry, 9.4 inches per second. We also have the process cartridge that we showed you that is included in your maintenance contracts that gives you maximum uptime out there in the field. We are the only ones that have that process as well. And also on the software side here, the software suite includes batch PDF printing and batch printing of TIFFs and other mixed files, and administrative and authentication pieces. Thank you very much for your time.